Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be hello everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to be taking you through the forex trading course, and this is actually going to be making it to be very simple. I know there are a lot of lessons out there that you may have seen and maybe they are confusing. So for me, I'm going to be taking you through this in a very simple way that you can actually understand, and I know you're just going to be loving this. So my name is Dan. I've been trading over 5 years. I'm benefiting a lot from forex trading, and I share actually a lot of success. Like forex has been a lot to me. It's done actually. I've been able to achieve most of my goals in a life through forex. So this is something that I actually recommend that everyone can just learn, just gaining the right skills, and it can actually take you to the places. Now let's just jump to the forex trading classes. Now I hope you have the notebook there. I hope you have ready just to learn. This course is going to be very long, as you can tell. That's why I'm very prepared for this. Now step number 1, let's start by defining what is forex, why forex trading, where we actually have to get this started. So when it comes to the forex trading, I know so many people, when you go to the online, you see a lot of things, because first of all, let me just differentiate between forex trading and what you have actually been hearing out there. But before that, that is where we are going to do it. So when it comes to the forex trading, this is what it means. Forex trading, I've actually said this before. Forex trading actually just involves what? It is come from the word for, which is come from the word foreign, and then X, it means from the foreign exchange. So it is the foreign exchange that is called the forex trading. And when you talk about the forex trading and foreign exchange, most of things that you hear is a foreign, like currencies. You see, like for example, when you move from US and go to the Europe, you see, when you go from to Europe, you can't go to use dollar in the European side. So you have to convert the dollar to the euro. If you're using the Germany money, if you're using Kenya shillings, if you're using any currency, so anytime you move from one country to another, you have to exchange that currency to that of local. So by doing so, you are actually doing forex trading, and that's why the forex trading is actually the largest market, with a lot of like 9 trillion that is actually traded per day. So which is make it to be more liquid, which means that the prices and it's very convertible. You can convert. When you go to the bank, you see they are converting. So let me share something here. You see how the bank normally do forex. So when you go to the forex trading, you see, let me talk in terms of Kenya shillings. For instance, $1 at the moment is going at 131 Kenya shillings. Okay, these Kenya shillings. So in the bank, if you have the dollar, you see they'll buy to you. You see somewhere they are written buy and selling. Okay, so you see somehow they are going to be buying from you at probably at 129, and to sell to you at probably 131. So you can see how the bank normally make profit when they trade forex. So this is USD KES, the currency pair that they are trading across this area. So when you are doing this exchange, you are actually trading. So you have traded money to get another money. So that is basically what is known in the forex trading. Now when it comes to this forex trading that we normally do online, it's somehow different, because let me just talk even about the term trading, because that is what many people have actually heard. Let me just touch on this. I send a walk to you with you very slowly. Now when it comes to trading, let's talk about the trading here. So when it comes to trading, this is actually different, because we have 3 months of trading. We can trade forex. Okay, you can trade forex. There are some who can trade crypto. Okay, there are some who trade binary option. You see, all these options are actually different, because how they are traded is different. The forex is the one that I've actually explained right now. Like you can trade currencies by exchanging between one currency of the certain country and the other, or you can exchange between a commodity and money like gold and money. That is actually the foreign exchange that you have used around there. Now you can trade crypto. What is crypto? Crypto is actually a virtual currency that you can't touch. These are virtual money. When you go, for example, you have had something like BTC, Ethereum, BNB. All these are actually the crypto area. They are actually found on crypto exchange platforms. You can find these on crypto exchange platform if you want to trade cryptocurrencies. So sometimes you can trade BTC stroke BNB, you see, or BTC USDT, or any combination that you can actually trade there. So this crypto, if you want to trade like kind of pair, because it's a crypto pair, you have to have something like crypto exchange. We have Binance, we have Bitget, we have OKX. All those are crypto exchange platform that where you can trade that, and it's actually different from how we trade forex. So forex side, we are saying it's like currencies we are trading, commodities like gold, like silver that we normally trade. When it comes to crypto, it's different. Like we were seeing here, you can trade this on bid on crypto exchange platform, on crypto exchange platform. We have something like binary trading. So when it comes to binary trading, this is very simple, because this comes from the one buy, which means two. So here is what we call normally the option trading. So when it comes to this option trading, that is where we have two options. Like for example, option trading, or the platform that you can use to trade option trading, is something like the derivative. You see something about the derivative. So on the derivative, you can trade option. And what option means here is that, for example, you can go to the derivative and you'll see somewhere where it's written you can trade something like under or over. For example, under, over, even on digit. So there's between 0 and 9. So these are the last digit that is actually printed when the commodities, when those indices move. You can actually see, because the market prices changes within every second. You can see that, and you can just predict that, for example, the last number is going to be either odd or even. So if you select 3 and you under selected odd number, you win that trend. If you select again odd number, it is select 2, you lose that trend. So that's how normally people trade, they by predicting through binary options, through two options that you have these or that in the binary options. And you can use like something like the derivative to trend, and crypto exchange, and also forex trading, that is actually different. So when it comes to the forex trading, that is where we are now. So it comes to the forex trading, this is what we are now talking about today. So when it comes to the forex trading, is actually a very wide market. First of all, kitambo, like many years ago, we never had that chance of trading in the forex market, because it needed a lot of money. I'll explain this more when it comes to when we get into the details of the forex market. So there are many participants who can participate into this market. We have something like hedge funds, you see. We have retailers, traders, and we have big banks that actually participate in this. We are a lot retailers. You see how the market is started, where the banks were actually trending against banks. You see, but they're trading big amount of money another country than another country. Their ends fund are there, retailers, traders are there, like me and you, who can actually go there with the help of the brokers and a lot of things. So there are a lot of participants in the market who are actually there to make sure that that is why the market is very volatile, because of a lot of traders that are actually around the market. Now I want to show you the flow of the market, how you just to trend, so that we can just be in the same page. So this is how the forex works, how you get it started. This is a flow chart, what normally happens. So this is you. Assume this is you. So if this is you, and you are ready, you want to know how to get started on the forex, you have learned some skills out there. So, and this is a very important thing that you just want. Now the next thing here, what you need something that is called broker here. You need a broker. So what the purpose of the broker? The purpose of the broker is to connect you with the international market. Is like, for example, how you want, for example, let me just give you a quick example so that you can understand now. Assume now you want, this is you. If you want to bet, you need a betting company. For example, we have so many. We have Betika, we have FXPesa. You need this platform so that it can now connect you and give you odds to connect you to the market, like games that maybe Chelsea and Arsenal are playing. You need this one. You need this to connect with you with that. So that's why you need, if you just want to bet, you need this platform. So it's the same thing. If you want to trade these currencies, you have to need this broker. You need this broker, and there are a lot of factors that you normally consider when you are opening this broker. So I'll just give you in a very quick way so that you can understand this. So when it comes to the broker, a broker is the platform that will help you in many things, like how to deposit. It will help you deposit money and convert them to the USD automatically. So if in terms of deposit, you find the platform that has options like FXPesa if you are using it, local bank. The method that you normally use, the local method, the easiest way you find is actually the simplest one to deposit money. So because this is one of them that is actually helping you here. So you're going to look for the deposit is very important. It will help you now with withdraw profit that you have made. You see, now you are going to look for a platform, a broker that actually has so fast way of withdrawing money from that you have made. You need to select a broker that, so when you need this broker, you can connect it to the trading platform. I'm going to, let's put it here. This is another trading platform, and this platform can either be MT5, MT4. We have also the trading view. So you want to find the platform that at least can connect to MT5, although you can analyze your market on the trading view and still make money, or and still execute your trend on the MT5 and still make money on that. So you are going to find the broker that is very important, the broker that will help you now to connect to all these platforms. That is one thing. The broker that has many options, that is the one that you're going to be looking at. Another option that is the broker that actually has less fees when it comes to deposit. Like, you see, when it comes to withdraw, you are going to be looking for the fast withdraw to help you withdraw very fast. When it comes to deposit as well, I seen that. And the other thing is actually the fees. And the fees here, we'll be talking about the spread. The spread, you see, when you execute the trend, when you open the trend, the forex market, you'll be charged something. It's like when you go to the bank and exchange that one. So we saw that difference between the buying and the selling price. So that is what we normally call the spread. So you're going to be looking at the broker that is actually going to be having the low spread into the market. So the lower spread, you're going to be looking at the spread, the small spread that is in this broker. So personally, I use FXPesa. So if you are starting on this, look on the comment section or in the description, click there. You see a profile, you see a link for the FXPesa, the first link. Go and register, upload everything ID to make sure that you are verified on this, and you have your broker. To open the broker is absolutely free, and you can start depositing and you can connect your MT4 with FXPesa. I will share the video on how actually to just do that in the next few minutes. Now, after you have linked your broker and the trading view, now that is now your account is very okay. You are ready to trade because the money that you'll be making on the MT5 is, they are just linked. This the amount of money you are trading. You see the currencies and everything here where you see them on the MT5. I'll share on this video on how to use the FXPesa platform right now so that you can understand between now the FXPesa and how to link the MT5 and the FXPesa so that you can now understand in a very simple way. Let's just check these on how to connect these and how FXPesa work. Just check the link in the description of this video. And the moment you just check that, you have to click that link that is here. you can see that's a link here. There's register here, Africa, and all that. So the moment you just click this link, the moment you click this link, actually it will just take you right over here. So this is why you have to put your details on when you are registering to FXPesa: name, first name, middle name, last name, email number, and your city. The next step, actually it will just be asking you again about your personal details again, and the third step is where it just asking you about the trading experience. So if you don't have experience, you can click to create a demo account, but if you just want a live account, actually you can create a live account on the that is on the FXPesa, and then you can use demo on the MT4. When we come into that, we'll come to that and explain what it means. So this actually is very easy. Verify your account, and the one thing that you have to note over here, make sure, and I want to repeat this, so make sure that your number, let's say you registered with your ID, this ID you registered with, make sure the number that you registered with 07 or blah 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 blah, this number is the one that was registered by this ID. Okay, so, and make sure the time you'll be uploading your ID, actually you upload the same ID, because if you just make mistake, FXPesa is very safe. You will not be able to deposit nor withdraw. It will just give you some difficulties actually to change number and all that. Make sure you use the Safaricom number. If you just want to be depositing through the M-Pesa, use Safaricom number. Upload the same ID, the same number that was registered by the same ID. Upload the same ID to be verified. Okay, now when you are done with the registration, this is what you see. Let me just log in to my platform so that I can show you. So you will be logging in using your email and the password. Also, the password, login password, is known as the login password is known as the portal password. So this is what you see for the first time. Yeah, on the left side over here we have what we call deposit dashboard. The dashboard is what you see on the screen. We have withdrawals, we have transfer, we have report, we have analysis, and we have the platform. So briefly, I'll just be going through all of them at the same time. But the first thing that you just have to, you can see right over here is like forget about the partner portal, just go to the account summary. This is where you see your total balance that is inside there, total credit, total equity, total deposit, and total withdrawals. Okay, so I deposited like $572 and like $551, and then I withdrew $572. That means I made a profit out of that, because you can see withdrawals are higher than the deposit, which is very interesting over here. And the other thing that you just be seeing when you scroll down is the transaction, that were recent activities that you have done, like withdrawals and deposit. Live account, this is where you click, and I want you to check right over here, because this is very important. I want you to see where it is digital live account, and just go on the right side here. You can see this dot, the first one of the live account. Wait, this dot, click this dot and go down one over here to set trending password. So the password that you are just going to get right over here is the password that will enable us to like connect to another platform. Let me explain this. Okay, you can trade with Binance, you can trade no, you can trade with FXPesa, you can trade, yes, on FXPesa trader. But if you just want, maybe for those you don't know this, there's something we call MT4. MT4 is this app that you download from the Play Store, and then you link it to the FXPesa. So what does this platform do? This is where you can execute the trend. That means you can do your analysis, you can check your balance over there after connecting to the M-Pesa. The same balance that runs from the M-Pesa is the same as MT4. They are just linked, okay? So whatever you do over here, it affects the M-Pesa balance and all that. If you get profit over here, you cannot withdraw on MT4. The MT4, you can just download it. We're just going to link it. This is for only trending, okay? So you can execute the trend and do analysis over here, and all that, do your analysis and all that. So this is the MT4. Yeah, so this is MT4. If you don't know how to use MT4, also the link in the description is there, you can check, or you can scroll down on my video. There's the video that I left there that says how to use the MT4. Okay, so this is where you just link it. So before we link this thing, to link these things, what do you need? You need account ID, you need account ID, and also you need that is trending password. And because trending password is not the same as login password or portal password. Portal password is for login in, and this portal password pp is for login, is the same as login password. But this trending password is the password that you'll be using to connect, to link here. You need this MT4, you need this too, account ID and trending password. That's why we are going to set it here. I hope now you can understand. So over here I can put anything over here that I want and make sure that is correct. You can put even the simplest one, and the moment you click this, then it will just say that your account is, your password has been changed, and you see it over here. So that will be your the trending password, and then your account is this that start with 49. Okay, that will be your account. Sorry. And yes, so that is it. So that's how actually you put the trending password. Let's learn now how to deposit. The moment you click deposit over here, you can see you can deposit through the M-Pesa, you can deposit through the paybill, prepaid, bank transfer. So the moment you click M-Pesa, first of all, this is direct. Actually, this triggers your M-Pesa directly. The first thing you have to select over here is to select, if you link to your account right over here, it will say, do you want the balance to reflect on the M-Pesa here, on the FXPesa here, and also on the MT4? How much do you want to deposit? Actually, you can deposit right from $5. That is the minimum you can use. So if I put over here, you see I need 607. That means $1 is going like 120 Kenya shillings. Yeah, so I have to put here. So you can even deposit a lot of money as your M-Pesa allows. Yeah, so you put that one. Let me deposit like $500, something like that. To me require me 60,717. Okay, and now what do I do next? I click continue. So this is actually very easy now to deposit on FXPesa, as I said, and that is what you just need. For you to get started, you can see I now click Safaricom M-Pesa. You have to put actually your name, what the name is going to appear on your M-Pesa when you send money. Okay, done. So these are the name maybe you expect, and then you click deposit. So the moment you click deposit and all that, it will trigger your M-Pesa. What you've just been doing on your phone now is to put the password. So I can see the message orange has just appeared. It tells me pay this amount of money, pay 60,717 to FXPesa, and yeah, so pay 60, and you put your M-Pesa pin, and the moment you just do that, it will just be deposited to your FXPesa. That is $500. It's very easy like that on how to deposit, and you see your dollars over here in seconds. Actually the money just appears instantly. So how to withdraw is very easy. Again, you can deposit through your account, M-Pesa, Skrill, and Natella, but make sure the phone also you are using to deposit is the same number that is registered, you registered with, is the same ID, the same thing. Okay, and also the number you'll be withdrawing with is the same number, because you can see we have M-Pesa here. So the moment I click M-Pesa here, the moment I click M-Pesa here, so you'll see that you need to withdraw from where, from MT4, that trender. I need to withdraw $500 and all that, and the moment you click, that is $500, you have to put where it has to go. payment provider, I say FXPesa, then you put your portal password. Portal password is now what we call login password, and then you click submit, and then the money just arrives. If it is first deposit, actually it takes between 1 hour to come, but if it is your second or from there, because the first deposit have to be verified manually, but for the second deposit and then deposit, the money arrives in the moment you click submit. The money arrives to your wallet, to your FXPesa in seconds. 1 2 3 seconds, the money arrives. The moment you click, actually immediately the money arrives to your account. Okay, you can use all these methods now to deposit. Make sure the moment you with deposit using the account you'll be depositing, the money can only go to where it was deposited from. Let's just go to click a transfer. That means you can open different account. That means maybe you want to trade in different MT4s and or different phone. You can create the account. If you maybe one of your account has money, you can decide to transfer from one wallet to the other. How many dollars do you want to transfer? It's equivalent to that amount, and then you click that one. So on the report over here, that is where you see the report. That is like the FXPesa statement. So you just be sent your statement to see the statement, your your statement, what has been going on there, and you see all your balances displayed over here. So from which date for each date you'll be asking, or like that. Yeah, so that is it. So analysis right over here, this is where you see all the analysis that are given. We have market calendar. This is where you can see the news. MT4 will just provide you where you can see the news. Also there is signal center, there is technical, and there is market calendar. You can see it there on the platform right over here. I'll come to talk about the analysis later. On platform over here, this is where you can actually trend using trending platform. After setting the trending password and you have your account ID, then you can trade on MT4. If when you are registering, you click MT5, you'll be trending on MT5, and you can see this is the for Windows. You can just use that on Windows. You can trade there on the mobile platforms and all that. MT4 and all these three, you can trade on this on the Windows and also on the mobile phones. After having the account with FXPesa, then that is from there. Then you have to make sure that your account is actually verified. You get message just like this. If your account is not verified, make sure that you upload your ID. Your account will just be approved, and you receive that tick, and you know your account is ready. The next thing that you just be doing is to go down one over here. Just click right over here. If you have demo account, click create account here on the live around here, and then you just be getting a live account. On that, let's just go right over here. You see somewhere where it is written 49 USD, this place. You see some dot over here. You see some dot. You can see right over here where is USD 49, something like that. Your account will be different. So this is the login 49. That is your account ID. That will be your account ID. So you just have to click those dot, click set trading password. What we are going to do over here is to set the trading password. Trading password, that means we can link it with the FXPesa trader. We can also link it with the MT4, and that is for the MT4. If you just want to open an MT5, I will just show you that later. Or the new password that you just be creating right over here is the password that you just be using over here. That is to log in to MT4. So you can put your password over here, something funny over here, and then you put your password. Let me just put the password so that I can just show you what you just have to do. Which password can I use? I'm going to use FXPesa. Then I use this. Then I use 12. Okay, FXPesa 12. That is all right. And then on the portal password, the password that you use to log in, then I just use that. And then we have to create the password will just be created successful. You receive a notification telling you that you have changed the password. The next thing that you're just going to do is download MT4 from the Play Store. Just download it just like this. It's very easy. So it will just bring you the demo account. So it will just give you the demo account. The next thing that we'll just be doing over here after getting, you can see this is demo. You have 100,000 dollars for you to trade on that. So it's just very easy like that. But if you want to earn live account of FXPesa, you click up here and then you go to the manager account. You see somewhere written plus button right over there. You click that and then you log into a 16-year account. You search for EGM securities live 4. You can see not demo, live 4, because we had a live account. So remember, your login is your ID that is started with 49. We go back to 376. So that is it, and we put now the password. So FXPesa so that is the password we used. I will change that, and you just sign in. Okay, so you sign in and let's see whether it's just going to come, because the name is going to appear right over there. If your name does not appear, make yes, you can see now Rose Henry, and the balance appears over there. That means you can now deposit, and now the trend that you drew over here is, if you make profit, you can just go to the FXPesa and withdraw your money right over there. So after depositing, then you can just go proceed. If you just actually want to switch to the demo account, you just go here and click manage account, you click demo, and then you sign in. Very easy way. Okay, and now we are in demo. If you just want to return back, you click manage account and you click your account, and then you sign in. You are in your account. So that is very easy on how to switch between two accounts, and you'll be fine with that. So that is the easiest way. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe and like this video, leave a comment down over there. If you don't have FXPesa, make sure that you use the link in the description below, and yeah, you have a very fine FXPesa account. And if you just want to join my team, where we just give and daily update classes, free classes over there, then you can just contact me to show you. Even if you have FXPesa, don't worry about that. You can just contact me. I'll just hand you to the team. See you next time. Bye bye.